Oh, skank. My weave is nappy as hell. Oh, ooh, ooh, honey. Oh. Do you like girls or boys?
I like you.
Oh, you're so cute. Hey, it's my cutie pie. Oh, oh my God! I love me some dark chocolates. That is some fake ass hello, bitch. You better learn how to say hello to a real woman. What to do? Hey, girl, what up? Fucker. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. You look boring as hell, girl. Do you have a girlfriend? I doubt it. Oh, you cute! Oh my God! Hey! Oh, that's my homeboy. That's my homeboy. Are you naked? You should be, girl. You cute. Thank you. I know I am beautiful, girl. Girl, show fees. Ow! Hey, girl. You is fabulous. You is fabulous. Girl, you is fabulous. Oh my God, you is fabulous. That's my homegirl. That's my homegirl. Hey, but oh, you cute. You was cute. Hey, bro, you look like you was Italian. Are you Italian, girl? Do you know Teresa Giudice? She and her hubby Joey. Got it. Girl. Hey, bro. What you doing? Girl, how you doing? Girl, you know I am just jamming in my jam. I is a ratchet, girl. I is a ratchet. Snooki says I'm ratchet. I'm getting my, penises look bigger underwater because I got myself a 12-incher in the Atlantic Ocean last summer. I was on my 18th honeymoon. A bitch don't know how to keep a girl satisfied. If a bitch can't keep a girl satisfied, you was out the door and I'm on to the next one, girl. You don't even know. Even though the half of it, girl, I was telling my girl Rhonda the other day that she didn't gotta get a... Hey, boo! Oh, you cute! You cute, though. You is cute, girl, you know. My bad, didn't mean to scare you. You know, I scared this other kid. He probably had diarrhea after I scared him, girl. You know how it, girl. I probably gave him a heart attack. He probably having a baby right now. He probably in the party having babies, girl. Ooh, ooh, you is adorable. You is cute. Oh, girl, you smoking that something. That's what's up, girl. You know I be smoking a little something too, girl. You know how it do. Girl, you was cute. I love that unicorn behind you. You must like Gaga. I love Gaga. I love me some Gaga, girl. That's my cousin. Gaga, my cousin, girl. He is Ratchet. Hey, boo. You look like Zayn from One Direction. Oh my God, girl. You know you look like a Zayn from One Direction. Girl. He my homeboy right there. I'm my homie. That's my homie right there, girl. That's my homie. That's my homie, girl. You know, I am ghetto as fuck. You know, I be using a sewing kit to do my makeup. Girl, you know how it do.